Good afternoon. Over here at Weir's Buick GMC, Route 1 in Arundel, Maine. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of this 2017 Ford F-350 Platinum that we have here on the lot. It's got the upgraded 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. It's got a little over 49,000 miles on it and is finished in this very nice white metallic paint. Go ahead and take a look at the interior here. Before you get in, you are greeted with these very helpful power assist steps. As you see, you got your very nice black leather interior with your panoramic sunroof. Go over to the driver door panel. You have your power windows, mirrors, and locks. You also have your power extendable mirrors. Got your controls for your power driver seat there. On the left side of the wheel here, these two buttons here, there's little spotlights on the ends of the mirrors that turns them on and off. You have your lighting controls. You also have your power adjustable pedals and your tailgate release. Step on inside here. You do have some functionality on the wheel as well. You got your controls for that center screen right there, as well as your cruise control, some adjustments for your Bluetooth audio and your audio system. And here's the hang up and call for your Bluetooth and hands-free calling. Got your column shifter with your manual and tow haul modes. Take a shot of the gauge cluster here, 49,395 miles on this F-350. You have your push to start. You have your four-wheel drive controller and your trailer brake controller there. Above the infotainment screen, you do have some buttons. You have your exhaust brake, your traction control, your hazards, your hill descent control, your lane keep assist, as well as your various cameras. So you have a front camera and a top-down camera there. Here's your audio system with some climate control functions, your Bluetooth, as well as your navigation system, and your backup camera, and that top-down view camera again. Some controls for your audio system, your climate controls. You do have heated and air-conditioned front seats in this truck, as well as a heated steering wheel. Got some storage space here, your cup holders, as well as there is additional storage space here with two USB chargers to charge your various devices. Go ahead and take a look at the back seat in this truck. As you can see, plenty of legroom for your passengers back here. The panoramic sunroof comes almost all the way back to the cab, really opens it up a lot in this truck. Step on inside here. Your rear passengers do have heated seats, as well as a couple different ways to charge their various devices right there. Got your power rear window, as well as your bed liner. And right in here, there's actually a step that comes out to help you in the back of this truck. Just like that. And down below there, you do have your tow hitch. If you have any further questions on this F-350, don't hesitate to give us a call. Direct line in is 207-496-1760. Thanks for looking and have a great day.